Struggling with thin, lifeless hair? Discover 4 simple and natural remedies that can transform your hair into thick. Stay tuned to learn how you can achieve salon-like results at home. Number 1. Aloe Vera Mask. Extract fresh aloe vera gel and apply it directly to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 45 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Benefits: aloe vera promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff, and strengthens hair strands. Number 2. Coconut Oil Massage. Warm coconut oil and massage it into your scalp using circular motions. Leave it on for at least an hour or overnight, then wash it off with shampoo. Benefits: coconut oil deeply moisturizes, improves hair strength, and reduces hair breakage. Number 3. Egg Mask. Mix 1 or 2 eggs depending on hair length and apply the mixture to your damp hair. Leave it for 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water and mild shampoo. Benefits: eggs are rich in protein and biotin, which help thicken and repair hair. Number 4. Fenugreek Seeds. Soak 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds overnight. Grind them into a paste and apply to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse with water. Benefits: fenugreek seeds nourish hair follicles, reduce hair fall, and promote thicker hair growth. Achieving thicker, healthier hair doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By using these simple home remedies consistently, you can see noticeable results over time. Which remedy will you try first? Let me know in the comments below.